I'm now inside Joshin Super Kids Land in Osaka. I already feel like a kid in the candy store now because there's just so many diecasts here. The very last time I'm here was in 2013, and I remember I spent about 2 hours in this store, and now I'm back with only about half an hour to spend because I'm not staying in Osaka. It's just only my day trip here, and I try to squeeze my time to come back into this store. Hence remember, if you have only one diecast store to visit in Osaka, Super Kids Land is definitely the venue. It's located in Nipponbashi, which is also along Denden Town. You can always refer to the map link down below if you are planning a visit. Many 164 cars here. Here is definitely the diecast paradise. There are a total of 5 levels here. The model car plastic model is located on the 2nd floor. The Tamiya corner is located on the 3rd floor. This is at level 4, and I'm very sure the green machine are gone. The Hot Wheels are being picked over. I can't find the Fast and Furious Subaru WRX, but I'm happy to take the Land Rover home. Wanted to get the VW Baja bug for my buddy, but I can't find it. And also found the latest Hot Wheels series, but I do not know what's the name of this series. And I'm very glad to take this Lamborghini Huracan back home. Can't find any R34 for the team transport, obviously they are gone. Very nice initial D1:43 casting by modelers. Johnny Lightnings and Auto World, which are not in my area, and there are no chase. Western Police Cherokee, which are very interesting. Large scale model cars in 1:24 and 1:18 scale. The highlight is definitely the Auto Art Initial D A86, which come at a very high price point. And also the Wanga Midnight Devil Z. Initial models in 1:43 scale, which commands a high price point. Very nice limited edition model from Norev. Mark 43 casting, which commands a lower price point than the initial model. The latest Tomica TLV range at a very decent price point. Shuko and Mini Champs in 164. And also a rack full of 164 model cars. I'm very happy to see the MC64, which is Singapore local brand. He has made it to Japan. I'm very happy. More initial model in 1:43. We are now at level 2 in the model car section. You can see many high quality decals, especially from Studio 27. One whole rack of model cars from Aoshima. A wide variety of custom wheel sets. Very tempted on this Lancer in advanced livery. This mini kit from Aoshima is very interesting. It features the Back to the Future DeLorean. I'm getting one for myself and for my buddy, which I'll do an unboxing video very soon. Plenty of imported model kits which are very interesting. And lastly, plenty of Tomica casting on level 1. More videos coming, and remember to like, share and subscribe to this channel. Thanks everyone, bye.